Well, if you're new to growing tomatoes, I hope that you've started your tomato growing journey with some cherry tomatoes. They're definitely the easiest tomatoes to grow for beginners that are just starting out growing their own. If it is your first time, maybe you're unsure about when and how to harvest your cherry tomatoes. So in this video, I'm going to quickly show you exactly how and when to do it. All right, well, it's pretty easy. Tomatoes, unlike other fruits such as avocados or peaches, many times stone fruits, those can be picked prematurely before they're fully ripe, and then they will ripen off of the plant to that perfect consistency that you want when you're eating them. Tomatoes, on the other hand, should be picked at their full ripeness. I'm growing this adorable tomato right here called, it's a kitchen mini cherry tomato that can be grown indoors, which is really fun. It's my first time growing them inside and it's proving successful. So as you can see, this guy's getting in my way. As you can see, I have some fruit that are nice and red right here. They're firm to the touch, slightly soft. So these are perfect. We're just gonna take our fingers and just twist it right off, just like that. Now this is super important to do to stay on top of your harvest, because if you allow these tomatoes to stay ripe on your plant, all these other babies that are still green are going to have a much harder time fully ripening. So it's important to take them when they're ripe and of course eat them. And that's also going to allow for your plant to continue to produce more cherry tomatoes. That's one of the reasons we love cherry tomatoes, is because they are such prolific fruiters. And that looks like about it. This looks like the perfect amount for a little salad with some mozzarella and basil, if I do say so myself. Well, I hope that video was helpful, short, sweet, to the point, just like these cherry tomatoes. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like, subscribe to our channel. We're bringing new plant-related content every single week. I'll catch you guys later. Ciao.